Miss Kaplan. Some of you might remember me. I used to teach at Bridges quite a while ago. Maybe your big sisters or brothers remember me. Today I wanted to read you a story so you can follow along, hopefully. It might be a story you know or some characters that you know, because the author of this book, Jane Chapman and Karma Wilson, they have written other books about Bear. This one is called Bear Snores On. So it looks like it's going to be about Bear and his friends, but it looks like Bear is asleep. That's what bears do during the winter, right? All right, let's find out what happens. What time of year do you think it is? It's in a much different place than where we live. And what's this? Here's the title page, Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. Illustrated by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks. Too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. A hare, another name for a rabbit. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. So we're going to have kind of a little party with popcorn and tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by. Look at that badger. Here's the badger. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. Has the bear woken up yet? They're all eating. They're sharing their food. And they nibble and they munch, chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. That bear is sleeping through all of it. They're eating all that food, making all that noise, and he keeps sleeping. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Oh my goodness. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. It's a lot of folks. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Still asleep, and they're having a party. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. They're going to eat some stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, uh-oh, is he going to wake up? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Ooh, they freeze because the bear is waking up. Oh no. Oh no. What's going to happen? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, look at the other animals. Are they scared? You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. What's he doing? He's crying. Poor bear, he didn't have any fun. Mouse squeaks. Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. So is the bear looking a little bit happier? Oh, look at him now. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up and a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. So he told them stories. They look happy. They're not scared anymore, huh? But his friends snore on. Now they're asleep and he's awake. That's the end of the Bear Snores On. All right. See you soon.